Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Mary Kay chromafusion. Here, in $800, you can buy the Mary Kay chromafusion eyeshadow. It's the best. Rich pigment, line-proof, life-proof, easy shadow. Comes in a spectrum of sensational shades and holds strong for 12 hours. This is tested. All the items below for $25. Okay, so here are the colors, shimmer and matte colors for you. This pigment rich life-proof eyeshadow comes in a spectrum of sensational shades and holds strong for 12 hours. Makeup artists graduated shades evaluated on extensive range of skin tones. Intense color payoff glitz on easy and evenly. Okay, so here is the result based on a 12 hours independent clinical study in which 27 women were used Mary Kay chromafusion eyeshadow after a single application. Okay, so it is tested and all in a good price. So the other one we are going to see is Timewise 3D Miracle Set. Okay, the ultimate miracle set 3D is here now. Add a powerful pair to your antioxidant rich Gemini of the ultimate in age-defying skincare. Timewise Age Minimize 3D 4-in-1 Cleanser. Timewise Age Minimize 3D Day Cream SPF 30 Broad Spectrum. All these products are included with them. Timewise Age Minimize 3D Night Cream and Eye Cream and Microdermabrasion Refined Pore Minimizer. So you get all of the package in $178. Here you can see the package here. Let me double tap for zoom. Oh, it's gone. Let me search again. Here, this is the $28. Okay, this is the age minimized 3D day cream. This is age minimized 3D night cream, and this one is age minimizer cleanser, and the other one is eye cream. So both 4 of these are in 28 bucks. Okay, so our other product will be Mary Kay lip lacquer kit. Here, Mary Kay lip liner, Mary Kay lip liner. All the liners here are in 12 bucks. Whatever color you want. This one is in 16 bucks. A lot of variety available over here. So here some fragrances and Mother Day collection. Let me show you Mother Day collections. This is the new one. So here you can buy Timewise Repair Lifting Bio Cellulose Mask and Mary Kay Hydraulic Gel Eye Patches in 40 bucks. Special edition Mary Kay Scents Collection Blush Scent 36 bucks. Special edition Mary Kay Scent Collection Velvet Secret Scent. This is in 36 bucks, and all of these very nice, very beautiful, very hot touching items in just a few bucks in your hands. This Mary Kay Ultimate perfume is so amazing. Mary Kay Illumina Extract D perfume in 80 bucks. So over here in our country there are a lot of scammers and bad persons who are not giving us original products, so that's why this was the main reason to show you the website here on which you can buy original and pay the original money. If there are shopkeepers giving you some extra price for original products, don't go there, just come here and buy it from here. So hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.